So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to earn real money by playing Monopoly Go here on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up and you're on the app, go to the bottom left, press on the games icon, and then press on get started. It's then going to bring you to the web browser here where you can actually play a bunch of different games and earn Swagbucks. So for me, under most popular right here, but you can search it by A to Z, whatever. Just scroll down to where it says Monopoly Go. Now in this case, it says earn up to 38,936 Swagbucks, and how you guys can exactly do that right here. So I'll show you guys. So if you were to go ahead and download the app through here, it can actually go ahead and show you, like, for example, you can get a bonus reward here if you can reach board 19. You get 2,000 Swagbucks. Basically, the further you progress in the game, so in this case board 12, board 42, 71, etc., it comes with a certain amount of Swagbucks which you can then earn and then ultimately over time exchange for gift cards. So once again, download the app, play the game, rank up, earn Swagbucks, and that's how you guys can earn real money just by playing Monopoly Go here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.